This video is going to show you how to create a class code for your Desmos activity. So let's say we're going to go to Algebra 1 and we're going to start with lesson 1.1.1. When you find the lesson, you'll see on the right-hand side, Create Class Code. Once you hit Create Class Code, you'll have a code for that particular class. If you view Dashboard, it will give the students the prompt and the code. So go to student.desmos.com and here's the code. You can also copy the link and drop this in the chat. So two options. You can display the dashboard where you show the code directly to the students, or you can give them the link by copying and pasting in the chat. The link will take them directly to the activity.